Welcome to Kyro. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of finding forms library and adding them to your organization. To perform this action, you need to be an org admin. Log into your Kyro account. Navigate to the Manage tab and select the Forms section from the main menu on the left-hand side. Next, click Library to browse through the 50+ pre-built forms Kyro offers. Once you locate the form you would like to use, click Add and confirm by clicking Yes. Now navigate to the My Forms section and you should see the form you just added. To assign the form, click Assign. You can choose to assign the form to a specific project, a member of your team, or a specific client. In this case, I will assign to the sample project set up in my organization. When a member is given access to the project, they will have access to the form when they create a report. The ability to assign forms and reports in Kyro empowers org admins to control access and distribution of work resources efficiently. This ensures that team members have the tools they need to complete their job. Thank you for using Kyro. For more tips and tutorials, visit our help center at app.kyro.ai.